Gabion box. Gabions are flexible blocks used in different construction purposes to reinforce stability and create erosion protection. It is a welded wire that can be filled with different materials such as concrete, stone, sand, or soil. It is widely used in the civil engineering field, used for road building, military applications, houses, and even landscaping. There are also different types of gabions. There are gabion baskets, gabion mattresses, gabion socks, gabion wire mesh, and even decorative gabions. Depending on the purpose of reinforcement, it is wise to know the appropriate gabion needed for construction. At Ambitions Metal Products LLC, we cater to two specific gabions, namely woven gabions and welded gabions. Leier Durisol. In Hungary, due to construction traditions, approximately 90% of brick buildings and reinforced concrete buildings are built, and the Durisol system appears as an alternative construction solution in the remaining 10%, informed Gábor Griesler, technical manager of Leier Hungaria Kft.'s Durisol business. The two main parts of the Durisol wall structure are the shell structure built from Durisol masonry elements, as a permanent formwork, and the concrete, reinforced concrete core that forms the load-bearing part of the wall structure. Wood shavings are used for the production of Durisol, which is naturally a renewable, recycled material. For this purpose, by mixing cement, water and other special raw materials in the right proportions, all the beneficial properties offered by wood and concrete are combined. Geoplast New Elevetor. This system is composed by a base grill with 4 arms 58 by 58, 2 5-high PVC tubes with a variable height and 125 mm thick and square base frameworks 58 by 58, 15 cm high lowered dome-shaped, furnished with at least 4 countertops. They are used as a reference for the cast and for the correct positioning of the welded mesh in order to avoid the sinking of the framework support leg base. The reciprocally linked elements will receive the cast of concrete with a strength class of minimum 250 RCK. Then, they will set up a space with a square matrix in both ways. The created sanitary break will be used for systems passage or for the ventilation of the foundation. Tecnocom RAMP-TEC Plus. We offer our customers an extensive portfolio of molds for staircases and platforms. We can customize the design and production conditions to suit the given project requirements. The molds can be supplied as an individual mold or as battery molds, with the option of concreting vertically or horizontally with fixed or adjustable sizes. This makes it possible to vary the number of steps, the dimensions of the steps, and the width of the staircase. The molds are available purely in steel and in a steelwood design for the highest degree of flexibility in producing different staircase designs. The molds can be fitted with vibrators and heating systems to improve the surface quality and to speed up the curing process. Automatic control of the molds ensures that the maximum degree of flexibility is achieved. Vuba resin-bound surfacing. Resin-bound is a surfacing solution that results from mixing resin and aggregates together in a forced action mixer. This creates a mixture that can be troweled onto a surface to provide a smooth, flat finish. A resin-bound system is also known as stone carpet. Its seamless finish provides a decorative bound gravel surface that is attractive, durable, and practical. Because of the way it is mixed, allowing for small gaps between aggregates, a resin-bound system is permeable. This means it is also a SUDS-compliant solution, which means planning permission isn't required as long as a suitable porous subbase is used. The resin-bound system can be overlaid to existing or new concrete or tarmac to create beautiful resin driveways, pathways, car parks, or any light traffic surfaces. iProfili Cobra and Concav. The concave and convex curving studs are two special studs designed for drywall ceilings with curving shapes. Concave and convex are made of zinc-coated steel, with a thickness of 0.6 mm, and they are produced in accordance to the standard EN 10346 and EN 10143. The concave stud is conceived for the creation of concave elements such as barrel vaults, arches, cross vaults, domes, rib vaults. The convex stud, instead, is ideal for the realization of outward elements such as waves and convex cyma moldings. Furthermore, it is optimal for the dressing up of air ducts, cables, beams, corners and columns, in order to improve the acoustic comfort and gain a better aesthetic result. Multipurpose concrete slipform machine. Modern hybrid concrete slipform paver machines are in demand due to the impetus given to road pavement construction. Depending on the type of concrete slipform paver used, it can do the finish grading, spread the concrete over the subgrade, vibrate, tamp, strike off and shape the concrete to the desired thickness and surface conformation. Models are now enhanced with a 3D control system and multiple track layer concrete paving systems. Depending on the concrete slipform paver model, the belt conveyor is also available in different lengths and folding designs. Manufacturers are focusing now on concrete spreading features, paving pan lengths and operation control systems of these machines. VDE 8-track layout. High-speed trains can soon travel on the new line at up to 300 km per hour. Passengers can travel between Berlin and Munich in record times, from city to city. Trains will become a real alternative to traveling by car or plane. Most of the work on the longest construction site in Germany, German Unity Transport Project 8 VDE8, will be completed. The double-track upgraded and new lines Nuremberg Erfurt Leipzig Halle Berlin will start operating. The €10 billion project was approved by the German federal government in 1991 to improve the transport connection between East and West and between North and South. It will also close the gaps in the German high-speed rail network. Freight trains will also travel on the route. The line will open many opportunities for implementing state-of-the-art transport concepts, the beginning of a new era of rail travel. DRIFIL. Whether permanently elastic, permanently plastic, or fire-retardant, Pipelife offers you a selection of sealing compounds from which you can choose according to your requirements. Our range is supplemented by important fire protection accessories and a special foam with a density of up to 1.0 bar. The permanently elastic sealing compound DRIFIL is waterproof up to 1.5 bar and ideal for all smooth concrete surfaces such as core drilling. It is also ideal for wall sealing and building entries for sewage, water and cable protection pipes, as well as electrical pipes, cables and lines. You can also rely on DRIFIL when repairing leaky existing seals. With the WaterFix PU Special Foam, you can seal breakthroughs in structural and civil engineering permanently, reliably, and easily. Expansion joint replacement. An expansion joint is commonly located on structures such as bridges, highways, and sidewalks. An expansion joint is a mid-structure separation designed to absorb vibration, join objects, or allow movement. In structures, expansion joints can help absorb the expansion and contraction of concrete slabs as a result of temperature changes. Without expansion joints, the concrete can crack or distort. However, expansion joints on their own are susceptible to failure. A major issue is incompressible materials that lock the joints and create stresses that may cause concrete spalling or shattering. As a result, seals are frequently installed in expansion joints to prevent incompressible debris from entering the joint. Two types of common seals are strip seals and compression seals. NextStone Slatestone 2 PC Post Covers. Slatestone post covers from NextStone provide the look of realistic stone without the weight or hassle. Available in 6 tones to enhance many types of decking or siding, NextStone post covers are made from lightweight recycled materials that are very low maintenance. Both 1-piece and 2-piece post covers are a perfect fit for nominal 6-inch x 6-inch wood posts, actual dimension 5.5 inch, and they also work with 4-inch x 4-inch posts with additional blocking, or simply use NextStone's converter kit. After installation, conceal seams or screw heads with NextStone grout. Durisol bukobran.